Hello.
Let's practice English.
Do you know the most important English words for daily life?
Not big grammar rules, not difficult vocabulary.
Just simple words you use every day.
Because when you know everyday words, speaking English becomes easier.
Today we will practice everyday English words you really need.
We will listen, repeat, and practice together.
So relax, grab your coffee or tea and learn with us.
And if you enjoy learning English this way, don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, let's begin. Our first everyday word is need. Repeat after me. Need. Good.
Need means something is important or necessary. Example, I need water.
Another example, I need my phone.
Or you can say, I need coffee in the morning.
Same here. I definitely need coffee.
Now it's your turn. Complete this sentence. I need... Great job.
Maybe you said, I need sleep. I need breakfast. I need my laptop. Perfect.
Our next word is want. Repeat after me. Want. Nice.
Want means you would like something, but it is not necessary. Example, I want pizza.
Or you can say, I want to watch a movie.
Here is a simple daily sentence. I want tea.
Now listen carefully. Need equals important. Want equals something you like.
Let's practice. Repeat. I need water. I want coffee. Good job.
Next everyday word is make. Repeat after me. Make. Great.
Make means to create or prepare something. Example, I make breakfast.
Or I make coffee.
Here's another example. I make notes when I study.
Now your turn. Say this sentence. I make coffee every morning. Nice.
Maybe you said, I make tea. I make eggs. I make a sandwich. Good speaking. Another very common word is go. Repeat. Go. Great.
Go means to move or travel somewhere. Example, I go to work.
Another example, I go to the gym.
Here is a simple daily sentence. I go to bed at 11.
Now repeat. I go to the store. Perfect.
Next word is take. Repeat after me. Take. Good.
I take can mean to get something or use something. Example, I take the bus.
Or I take a shower.
Another common sentence, I take a break.
Now repeat. I take a photo. Nice work.
Now let's do a small conversation. First, listen. What do you do in the morning?
I make coffee and I take a shower.
Nice. Then what?
Then I go to work.
Great routine.
Now it's your turn. Answer this question. What do you do in the morning?
Maybe you said, I make breakfast, I take a shower, I go to school. Excellent.
You are practicing real English. Next word is try. Repeat. Try. Good.
Try means to attempt something. Example, I try to speak English every day.
Another example, I try new food.
Here's a motivating sentence. I try my best.
Now repeat. I try to improve my English.
That's a powerful sentence.
Next word is help. Repeat. Help. Great.
Example, can you help me?
Another sentence, this podcast helps me learn English.
That makes us very happy.
Now repeat, learning every day helps me improve.
Excellent.
Let's review the words we learned today. Repeat after us. Need, want, make, go, take, try, help.
Great job. Now listen to this sentence. I try to practice English every day.
And remember, small practice every day makes big progress.
You are improving already.
Today, you learned everyday English words you really need.
These words are small, but they are very powerful.
When you use simple words confidently, your English becomes natural.
Remember, you don't need difficult vocabulary to speak good English.
You just need practice, a little practice every day.
Even 5 minutes of speaking helps your brain learn faster.
So keep trying, keep repeating, keep speaking.
And most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning a language should feel fun.
Before we go, we have a question for you. Tell us in the comments, what is one English word you use every day?
And here's another fun question. What time do you wake up in the morning?
We read your comments and love hearing from you.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Keep practicing.
See you in the next episode. Bye.